this is Tom Cloud with this week's Precious Metals Market Update. Thank you for all the emails and calls. Want to know what I make of Brexit and whether the Brits are going to remove themselves from the European Union on June 23rd when they have a vote. It is without question one of the main things that is driving gold during the month of June, which is ordinarily a fairly quiet time. But last year we saw, I think, the best year for appreciation in June, and this year we're off to a big move in June, and certainly if Britain exits the European Union, we expect to see $1,400 gold very quickly and $20 silver very quickly. The polls are jumping around like crazy with the Sun News overnight as I record this on the 14th of May, June, we're nine days away from the vote. Just overnight with the Sun News, the biggest newspaper in Britain, endorsing Britain exiting the European Union, we've seen the polls jump 6% toward getting out of the Union. And you look at all the way at Cameron, the Prime Minister is pushing hard, and especially the unions, to remain. And certainly the ones that want to leave want to have free. They got the same issues we do here. They're sick of the immigration policies. They're sick of being playing to the Germans every economic movement. And they don't look at their future very bright if they stay where they are. To them, the good thing is, even though their currency is getting crushed this morning, is they at least have their own currency. They're not part of the euro, which means they can bounce back as quick as they lose. So as we look at it now, it's a toss-up. Yesterday it looked like they would vote to remain. Today it looks like, with the endorsement of the Sun News, they're going to vote to leave. So who knows? But 9 days from now, we'll know. So we're seeing an influx of money into gold, while I'm not predicting that they're going to exit. I think it's just a toss-up. If they don't exit, then you still are in that 90-day period that started today for China announcing their gold reserves to get their special drawing rights at the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, and become the fifth currency to do that. So we're in an incredible 90-day window here with two huge earth-shattering events taking place for the future of economic history. From now on, these two events will unfold June the 23rd and sometime between now and the middle of September, when China has to make their statement as to how much gold they have. And certainly, if it's more than the estimates of 3,000 to 5,000 tons, that is the general consensus, then if it's up toward the 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 like we have in the U.S. or more, then you're going to see gold probably over 1,800 very quickly. I've said this before and I'll say it again, the last 3 weeks, we have seen the biggest orders we've ever seen, not the amount of orders, but the dollar amount of million-plus orders coming in, where people are not willing to sit and wait when you throw in all the bank potential crisis out there and the potential of bail-ins in the U.S., like we've seen in Greece and Cyprus and over in Austria most recently. So these are the things you got to follow right now. I continue to say there's going to be a shortage of physical gold and silver this fall. This is what our wholesalers are telling us to watch, and it could be as bad as 2008, where we were 3 to 5 months behind delivering products. So it's just up to you to decide when to buy. And we also expect premiums to go up this fall, as all indications, especially on COMEX silver bars and COMEX gold products as well. So if you have any questions for us, you can reach us at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812, and you can talk with Dan or Kathleen or myself. And if you are interested in a precious metals self-directed IRA, we can walk you through that, how to get a custodian, and we will function as your broker and work with you on what percentage gold and what percentage silver based on what you have. So give us a call on that. And if you haven't got a electronic brochure on Cloud Hard Asset Storage Program, email us or call us and we'll send that to you, as well as an electronic brochure on IDS, where we store the COMEX warehouse outside of Wilmington, Delaware. So we can get all that to you, because that program has been incredible, with the lowest basis points, with the lowest storage fee in the industry, where you can keep your gold and silver there for 20 to 30 basis points, depending on how you want it set up. So give us a call, once again, 800-247-2812. Till next week, this is Tom Cloud signing out.